This is RS Trading. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, so please subscribe to this channel, and also you can join my Telegram community. Also you can follow me on my Instagram. And if you are still losing and trading for 6 to 1 year and still confused, make little money and still losing bigger, so you can DM me or you can call me. I live in Japan, so consult about any inquiry if you have. So I'm a full-time gold Forex trader, and I'm doing a trading for 8 years, and also I give mentorship, and which is paid. And if anybody wanna have a freedom about, it's a long journey about in Forex trading, so they can contact me anytime they want. So this tutorial, this video is about to analyze about the gold market, as I almost trade on a mostly 99% on a gold. So we're gonna start for simple analyze, and this video is only for the basic knowledge and also not the exact 100% prediction, because that's it's very difficult to anyone has been trader, that nobody can predict 100%, because the market condition and the market movement, it's very difficult to be predict. So there will be 80% of technical and 10% is which is fundamental, and the practical is for the 10%. So we're gonna start from the daily time frame. We're gonna figure out what happened actually the weekly time frame, because 1 week has been done, it's finished. So let's start from the weekly. Okay, so this is a weekly time frame. I'm gonna just little clean up all the lines, and let's figure out what happened in the previous, as I've been posting for this small short video. And I hope if you haven't seen my previous video, you take a look on those videos also to understand. So we're gonna simply go and take our resistance and support based on that. The highest on time frame right now is this price, where is the goal is 29.53. so the previous, this is the latest all-time high, and the previous high is still 29.42, which is the gold has closed below this week, and support was 28.79. the previous support is 28.59, and the last support high we got 28.16, and the last previous high we had 27.89 or 90. Okay, so now we have this mostly the 4 to 5 support and one single all-time high resistance. So how to justify, and what we're looking at a goal to where we can buy and sell, that's the question is most important. So we go from higher time frame to lower time frame, from weekly time frame to daily time frame. So let's do it. Once the time frame is load, now we're gonna a little bit zoom in, and we're gonna figure out our zone, and we need to understand what happened. So first of all, how to figure out the high and high. The price is keep continuation for high. Once we understand, we have this resistance zone and the previous high zone, where price is continuation high, low, high, breaking this high, creating this resistance support, price retested, creating new high, breaking resistance becomes support, retested, and continuation high, and that resistance becomes support and retested and continuation fly. So this is how we look for. We need to see that the price in a swing high and swinging, or continuation in a high price, and price is totally bullish. But right now, after the previous high, when price is breaking this high 27.89 or 90 has been break, price continuation to fly and retest continuation, and now this price in the zone where we call a range area or consolidating area, right? So we gotta figure out and make a zone. as long as we need to figure out the order block and mostly at the fair value gap. So this is what is I've been talking about these things in my previous. As you can see, this area is an imbalance. We can call it as FVG, which mean is fair value gap. Okay, so we're gonna go more lower time frame, for example 4-hour time frame here, or maybe we could do better than that. We can just jump back once back to a daily time frame here. So once we are on a daily time frame, this internet a little bit slow, so once we are back on a daily time frame, we gotta figure out what we have the zone that has not been retested. Once the zone has not been retested, mostly we need to wait and patient to give the discipline. So remember, if I give you the education about this thing, always have when price going up, creating a high, new resistant, price come back to retest to have a support, and then continuation to break the previous resistance right here. Okay, so then resistance becomes support, creating a new high. So our trader as a discipline, we need to wait to price to come back and retest this area as a B resistance becomes support, and we buy price here to come back our target after this high. So that's the particular strategy mostly the trader use, and that's the base of the trading. We use this all in my time zone. So how do I figure out? That's only is available on a mentorship, but here in this video you're gonna figure out how we find we're gonna buy or we are sell. So watch this video till the end, and I hope you're gonna find this video very helpful. So I have this two zone, and one is here and one is here. So this is 60 and 79. I'm gonna scroll down to this here and may make the first support, second support, and then finally third support. Okay, and we have this fair value gap which you don't see in a 4-hour right here, but if when you go to a daily time frame, you're definitely gonna see this fair value gap clearly on a 1-day time frame. Okay, here it is, right? So this is the fair value gap on a daily time frame. Okay, so we're gonna make this support right now, and we're gonna move this away and market. If you put the trend line, you're gonna definitely gonna see market is totally bullish. There's no way there's a sale is coming on, and the market is totally is insane. For 1-hour data, the market has 8,600 pip has been blown, which is never seen in the entire history. All right, so this is our resistance, and we're gonna look at this in a definitely for a smaller time frame, which is called 1-hour time frame. Let me set up right here. So we're gonna make it little bit narrow. You don't want to set up this high zone because from 29.42 to 53 is 100 pip. So we're gonna narrow it a little bit, about this much. Okay, and 1 hour, this is our zone, the first all-time high, and this is gonna be our resistance. So what we are looking at, if the chart pattern, if you look at clearly, if you can know the chart pattern, if you look at this particular place, you see the chart pattern try to break down, but did not break down. You see this, there's only the weak liquidity facing down. That means price wanted to go down to take this support label to retest lower swing, and this is our trend line right here. So what is price to do? Because price is fly so much high in within last 1 year, which is 8,600 I said previously. So we looking at here a a chart pattern called HNS once broke, but it's still in the range. So either is equally we're gonna buy or sell. How to figure out? Okay, there's two options. How you gonna figure out? So we're gonna put mostly the support and the resistance line. So now we have the resistance on the top. We have this 1 hour time frame right here. Our first, I'm sorry, it's gonna be our first right here resistance, and I think for 29 to 19 it's gonna be our, that's support 2, support 3, and support right 4 here, right there. So I think if price wanted to break up or down, how we need to verify we wanna buy? Always remember, because it's not as a gambling, it's all about the discipline and waiting. How much you can wait, it's so much patient when you're gonna do trade. Sometimes we thinking we need to enter now, and we do not enter, and price can go flow or go dump. So because we think sometimes price, if want to enter the price, so we don't want to miss. But there you go, the discipline and call the mindset. So we have this trend line right here on a 1 hour time frame also, and as you can see, if I squeeze the chart, you can see this trend line is being respected completely for this particular place, and it has not been breaking. The price is getting higher, lower, higher, and this price is the last 29.53 is being completely strong resistance. So I suggest that's the trend line. If price going to break in high, if price, I'm sorry, but if I make it right, only two option for me. If price breaking high and continuation create a new high, we have to wait. We do need to wait it to price to retest, and then only can buy. So price, we can looking for the price to go reach next 3,000. If price go, could also be possible, as my previous video I have explained, if price go up, it could be trap a buyer and fall down to retest and continuation what we have the fair value gap down. Okay, and this could be the tragedy and could be the biggest trap ever, because the common sense and the logic also must be applied when you've been trading for more than 3 years, so you know that. Okay, so 4 hour chart, let's see. If only if the price 4 hour chart frame, if the price is giving us right now the HNS formation here, you understand the formation of the HNS head and shoulder pattern here, very clear. You understand this pattern is called HNS pattern, called could be the price formation breaking. It has to be a very deep fall till here 28 or maybe below. So only this trend line, because I'm already in a sale now. If I check out, that's what I said, watch this video till the end, because you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you my account that I'm already in a sale now, and we have this strong resistance, because this resistance gave us a strong bearish movement here. But still, this is under the trend line. As you can see, this is under the trend line, has not been breaking. So I think this trend line, this is being respected so clear. That's the reason the price is now, I think, going to be break strongly. So if I put this line right here, exactly over here, and we can check this line on a more smaller time frame called 30 minutes, for example. So look at this time frame, that if it's this 30 minutes time frame, Now look at this time frame. This is the bearish movement where the bearish and the seller are sitting. So this movement is huge, which if we look at the data, if we look at this price range data, it's about 630, 36 or 40 pips. Okay, 600 pips. So if you look at this data, the price can be fall this much. Okay, so well, this is all. Once we have the confirmation, how to make the confirmation? We have this confirmation when support is breaking continuously, is being respected. If price tomorrow fall continuously, it could respect it and break down. After that, only 30 minutes time frame, we have this inner support. If we look at in 30 minutes, this could be the support level. We look at this support level right here in 30 minutes, and once we go back to 1 hour chart, is this support is still effective or validated? So yes, it is validated. It is validated. For how many time? So we're gonna count this every movement once, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, right in this range. Okay, but very small, and it's almost nearby. Okay, so price can move down, break, retest it when the structure break, trend line break, and create a new lower. Then you have 2 confirmation, and once created a low, because this low will be confirmation to pull this game all over same place to back bounce, buyer, support, right here. So once it's breaking, trend line break, support is breaking, next support. So support become resistant, then price go up with liquidity, price can continuation to fall. I hope this video will get you some few answer, or maybe it's puzzle because you haven't spent lots of time in a trading. But if you have any inquiry related, you can always DM me. You're gonna find a link, my Telegram link for community, or you can, if you want to join me and trade what I trade, you only simply can join me with free and lifetime. All you gotta do is create a link or create an account under my IB. IB means the broker I use. You can create an account and join me. Simple as that. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and see you guys on the next week. Thank you. Okay, so this is like personally I was doing in a live, and the thing I said, like in the end of video, you're gonna see something really special because I'm already in a sell, right? This position, I was in sell this position because I believe in my terms and conditions. So that's the price is falling down, and it's gonna fall very much, and I'm on my iPad screen. So here it is. You can see it's totally, I'm on a sale right now, and that's a trade. You can see the trade. You can see this is 26,400 Japanese yen. Some are red still, and if I scroll down all the way, there's so many entries and totally blue. Okay, totally blue. This is all. So this is real account. That's me already. This is blue. This is blue. Okay, so what I'm gonna say, there you go, live account. This is all. So I hope you guys understand, and if you want to join me and trade with me, let me know. Thank you.